Okay, so I'm finally getting back to the hex socket or hex adapter part. I've built myself a brooch of some sort, I guess you could say. It's a little bit on the long side, all things considered, because it's given me quite a bit of flex. But what I've been doing so far is I'll just kind of hold my finger on the back of it and pull forward a little bit to eliminate some of the flex or get some of the flex back. But I should ultimately be able to sort of use this to my advantage. Hopefully I'll get a slightly tapered hexagonal hole when this is all said and done. And in theory, I can use this, if I get the settings right, I can use this to make it tighter or looser as I, push it down on the actual nut farther. So anyways, you can see my very simple hold down system here that I've got. And all this tool is a piece of 1/4 inch high-speed steel in a piece of 1/2 inch round steel bar, steel rod tubing. Well, it's not tubing, but that I drilled out to, just a little bit larger than the diagonal across the, I always get tongue-tied. Anyways, drilled it out to be just a little bit more than from the diagonal sides on this 1/4 inch steel, or 1/4 inch high-speed steel. So anyways, this is a piece of the bar that I used, and I just got it checked up in my 1/2 inch collet. And I'll give you a quick rundown of what I'm doing here with it, just to kind of show you. I will index this thing, and then I'll start chewing away a little bit more material. Alright, anyways, there's really no great amount of magic to it. It's going to take several tries at this to get the fit that I want. But I just started on the first side before I started filming, so I got a long ways to go yet. Luckily, being aluminum, it doesn't take a ton of force. And then I'll move it a little bit, take out a little bit more. There we go. Looks like I've got my bit clocked a little bit wrong. It's leaving kind of a stair-stepped appearance. Was doing okay on the first one, but it's a little bit off now. I'm going to have to make some adjustments to it, but at any rate, you kind of get the idea, the direction I'm going with this thing. And it's going to take me quite a bit of time to make it through all 6 sides to get it the way I want it, but it's going to be a lot better than filing all of this, I think. So, at any rate, there's no reason to bore you guys any farther. That's all I'm doing with it. So I'll bring you guys back when I get on to something else interesting.